If you are getting a payment failed error in Wave accounting, yeah, that means your transaction did not go through and your invoice payment is stuck. Let's fix it step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. I mean, weak or unstable. Internet can instantly cause payment failures. Next, refresh the page and try the payment again. Sometimes it's just a temporary system glitch. Now check your payment method carefully. Yeah, expired cards, wrong billing info, or insufficient funds can cause payment failure. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. Payment gateways often block suspicious or change locations. Now try completing the payment in incognito mode. Yeah, this helps bypass cache and extension conflicts. Next, disable all browser extensions temporarily. I mean, ad blockers or security tools can interfere with payment processing. Now clear cache and cookies from your browser. Corrupted session data can block secure payment requests. Next, check with your bank or card provider. Yes, sometimes transactions are blocked for security reasons. Now check if Wave accounting servers are working properly. Sometimes the issue is not on your side at all. Next, make sure your browser is updated. I mean, outdated browsers can break secure payment systems. Now try the payment from another device or browser. Yeah, this helps confirm if the issue is device specific. If nothing works, contact support. I mean, there may be an account level or system issue only they can fix. And that's it. One of these fixes should solve payment failed errors in Wave accounting and restore your transactions.